This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find unused ledgers in Tally Prime. First, understanding what an unused ledger is crucial for efficient accounting. These are accounts with no entries, cluttering your financial records. Identifying and managing them helps maintain a clean and accurate system, making your financial analysis much clearer and more reliable. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Chart of Accounts and then choose Ledgers. This will display a complete list of all your created ledgers. For a more detailed view, press Alt plus F1 to expand the information. This initial step is vital for getting a full overview of your current ledger setup before you start identifying the unused ones. Now, to pinpoint unused ledgers, you'll need to examine each one individually. Drill down into a ledger from the list to view its details and transaction history. Specifically, look for ledgers that show a zero balance and no recorded transactions over a significant period. The Ledger Vouchers report is excellent for confirming the complete absence of any entries, helping you confidently identify truly unused accounts. Once identified, you can manage these unused ledgers by either deactivating or deleting them, depending on your company's policy and the ledger type. Maintaining a streamlined ledger list significantly improves your data integrity and speeds up report generation. This practice ensures your Tally Prime environment remains efficient and accurate. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.